Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today, I'm going to talk about how much protein do I eat on a plant-based diet. I'm actually going to share what I'm eating today, and I'm going to tell you what the macros were: protein, fat, carbs, and fiber. Just got some clips of a workout here. If you're new to my channel, I eat a plant-based diet for the last 11 years. I enjoy exercising, and I also practice intermittent fasting, so that's pretty much what my channel is all about, so welcome. And also, real quick, before we get started, I recently came out with a plant-based recipe ebook, and the link is in the description box. So if you want to help support the channel, make sure you check that out. I have some delicious recipes and things I eat on a regular basis that I recommend to stay fit and healthy. Today I broke my fast at 1 p.m. and I started with a glass of green juice. This was 8 ounces of cucumber and 8 ounces of celery juice. So nice and hydrating to get things started. Then just a little bit after the green juice, I put together a smoothie. Now this had 1 cup of fresh raw orange juice, and it also had 1 cup of frozen blueberries and 2 cups of frozen strawberries, and I had 5 fresh ripe bananas. Now this is a super sweet and delicious smoothie. I recommend trying it out. A couple of secrets to this is, first of all, you want to use fresh raw OJ, not the store-bought pasteurized kind, because it'll make it much sweeter and much better if you use the fresh OJ. And also make sure the bananas are nice and ripe to make the smoothie nice and sweet. So that's the way I do it, and this has been one of my favorite smoothies that I've been making lately, so I definitely recommend trying out this smoothie. And there it is. It made about 1.25 liters, so just over 1 liter. And if that's too big for you, you can always just cut the recipe in half. Then I had my second meal. I started that around 4:30 p.m. with a salad. I had greens, I had an apple, a cucumber, and an avocado to start off my second meal. And then about an hour later, I had this slow cooker coconut curry over rice. That was homemade, a bunch of vegetables and potatoes and carrots and broccoli and things, and then I had some garlic naan and vegetable samosas as well to go with it. So that was super delicious. And then for dessert, I made this homemade banana ice cream. It had 5 frozen bananas, a tablespoon of cacao powder, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. So the totals for the day was 3,400 calories, 587 grams of net carbs, 87 grams of fiber, 77 grams of fat, and 65 grams of protein. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Hope everyone has a fantastic day. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.